Hello everyone, this is Mona, your health and wellness coach from Slim Trim Lifestyle. Welcome to my page, and from today I am starting my day one for my detox, the gut cleaning and the weight loss together. So just check it out every day. I am going to share how I did and what I ate in my whole day. So you will get a lot of tips, tricks and healthy version also that you can lose 5 to 7 kgs very easily in a month by eating everything. So yes, I put on a little weight because Ramadan was going on and had a little stressed out. So we eat every time. This is a normal, when we are stressed. So I don't have any problem because I know the tip and trick how to lose that. So I just wake up now, so I'm looking quite messy, and this is my morning get up. So let's begin. The morning drink, what I take for my nutrition, to balance my nutrition in my body, for good immune system also. This is my morning routine. So what I do, I take every day a good aloe vera, because this is not only for your skin, this also helps you for your water retention in your body, for your gut cleaning, soothing your gut. So there are a lot of benefits of this. So I take this aloe vera. I am making if you want, you can have lukewarm water. If you want, you can have cold water. It's up to you. I take 15 ml of this aloe vera in my morning drink. So here you go. So one of this one. Then I have this. This is a mineral solution which contains 16 essentials that you don't get it from the food. So it has your iron, zinc, copper, magnesium, folic acid, lots of. So this also shaky. And then I also take this one 15 ml. If you are having problem with the iron, then this is the best option. This is really very good. And in this, I am going to add some lemon, lime, or apple cider vinegar, whatever you prefer. Today, I forget about my apple cider vinegar. So again, 15 ml of this one, very quick. Then I have here a green tea. This has 25 blends of vegetables like spirulina, green grass. It's amazing, something. So again, this one, I am going to put it here. 2 scoops of this one. Maybe in the beginning, you won't like the taste, but it's really yummy. It's very healthy. The thing is that when you have in your mind that something is healthy for your body, then you start taking it out. And then here I have the fiber, which contains prebiotic and your vitamin C. Helps you for a good bowel movement. So this one again, 2 scoops I'll take. These scoop comes inside this box. This is my way to make, and I drink this way. So all these things I have added here. And now goes my water inside this. So, and see, my morning shake is ready. So let's begin with my breakfast. What I am going to have, I made here, I have grated some of the zucchini, courgette. You can take any of the vegetables, whichever is available. If you want also, you can add baby spinach in that. If you find some bottle gourd, whatever vegetables you like, or capsicum, onion, tomatoes, anything. So I am taking some zucchini. If you want, you can also eat zucchini, just a salted zucchini, but I am going to make an omelette with this. Some zucchini, I have it, and I am going to add some of the chili. I love to have chili, a little spicy. So I just I'm going to only have the half of that. 2 eggs. So here go. Try to have a good breakfast, because breakfast is the thing that really we need to have a good one. Don't skip your breakfast. Many of the people, they skip their breakfast, but it's not good. Then I'm going to add some Himalaya salt. I use Himalaya salt because it's very good for your water retention also in your body. And if you're having thyroid, then use the normal salt. So a little of the salt. I also try to cut as much as salt possible in my food, a little lesser, and that's it. And here I go. Give my batter. I'm also going to share that you can make some paneer patties also with this same kind. If you want, you can smash some paneer in this and some zucchini, and you can make a small kind of cutlet, and you can maybe just roast it on your fry pan, or if you have an air fryer, you can also make in the air fryer. So I'm going to share also that recipe very soon. I'm going to share with you all very soon, because I'm going to mix and max every day, like some day veg, some day non-veg, some of the breakfast veg, some of the non-veg, so different varieties. So whatever is going to be easier for you, you can follow. So here is my fluffy. Even if you want, you can add the zucchini later. First you make your omelette and then you can make it. I've not added any onion in that today. So I have my fry pan here. I'm not adding any oil. If in your fry pan the food gets stick, then you can just rub with an onion, half an onion, or otherwise just take some oil or butter. With that, rub your fry pan, and that's it. So I'm going to leave this one for about 2-3 minutes. I'm going to put a lid in this, and I hope my egg is going to be ready. So I have just had the lid, so it's easier to see. I've not added any oil and it's coming out. So it also depends on your fry pan, what kind of fry pan you have it. So it's almost done, but I like little crispy, so I'm going to flip it out. So can you see? So my breakfast is ready. I have my plate also here. I just try to every time get in the smaller plate. If the plate is small, we eat also lesser, what I feel. Okay dokie, my egg is ready. So finally my breakfast is ready. I tried to put in the small plate, but the size is quite big of my omelette. So just want to show you all that it comes out very good without any oil. If you want, as I said to you, add little of the oil or butter, or just grease your pan, and that's it. So for my dinner, I have boiled this dal, orange one, moong and masoor dal. So whatever dal you prefer, you can boil it out. So I have boiled my dal. You can add some tomatoes, some onions, some garlic in that. I've just boiled this dal. And in this, I'm going to add some chopped coriander and some ginger. If you like, you can add. If you don't like, don't add it. I've not added any oil, no ghee, no butter in this. That's an optional. If you feel that I want to make little tadka in this one, the dal, you can use the desi ghee, little of the zira, garlic, and your curry leaves, whatever you want. But try to reduce your ghee or butter level. That's important. So my dal is ready, and I'm also going to eat any vegetable with that. And I try to eat every time my vegetables little crunchy. So don't overcook it. So for that, today I have got some baby spinach, which I have washed it out. And I'm not going to cook this. I am just going to wash dry, and now simply it goes in my bowl. So you can see, this is my bowl, what I'm going to eat. So I have here some spinach. And in this spinach, now I'm going to just simply add my dal. That's it. No cooking of the. If you feel that it's too crunchy for you and you don't like the taste raw one, then you can just add in the boiling dal and then you can eat it. But I prefer to eat like this. So today, as it's my first day, I am going to eat, as I did not have many carbs, no oil, no sugar. So in that case, I'm resetting my gut so I can eat as much I wanted, but still a little I have to maintain my portion. So here I go, my spinach dal with your dal is ready. Yeah, and in this, if you want, you can add some lemon juice or whatever. So I hope I hope this quick update for today is going to help you out to lose your weight. So every day I'm going to come up with a lot of different varieties of food that you can eat during your weight loss program. And with that, you will see with the home food, you are going to lose at least 5 to 7 kgs in the month. Yes, and same time you are going to also detox your body. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you all tomorrow. Bye bye.